Hello and welcome to another Seatpost extraction. This time we've got a lovely green. I believe the customer told me it's a Lee Cooper. It's a custom made fillet brazed frame. So rather nice. Not one we want to see any cracks appear or any snapping or anything nasty. So it's in the jig. It's been soaking in plus gas for a good few hours now, so drawing a line around there. So let's give it a go. Fingers crossed. Just loading it up with some tension now. Here we go. Got the big hammer just in case it needs a little tap. Oh, here we go. Oh God, there we go. I'm not scared at all. And again, it's a lot of force. Pretty nasty. Just focus there. You can see all the kind of, don't even know what that is. There's a bit of paper that's just come out as well. It's the minimum insert point, so we've probably got another good 2 or 3 inches left in there. But yeah, we can see the condition of what's to come. So another successful and partially out of focus Seatpost removal.